Welcome to the demo of Smart College app. Let us first see what the app is about and we will watch a video demo of the fully functional app. This app is one-stop solution for effective management of an institute. The college will have a digitized version of all data associated with students and staff, resulting in less paperwork. It communicates with students and staff instantly, that too 24/7. It's a great branding tool for the college as it is accessible by students and staff as well as people not associated with the college, which makes it handy and accessible at all times. All the features shown in the upcoming demo are fully customizable as per your requirement. This video is just a demo of the endless possibilities that this app can offer. So let's begin the demo. When a new student gets admission, there is no need for him to visit the college. He can directly do his reporting using the app by submitting personal details and copies of admission letter, fees receipt, and photograph. There are three types of login: student, staff, and guest. The student and staff login offer programs, gallery, academia, notices, circulars, interact, career, about us, reach us, my profile, and logout sections. The guest login doesn't have access to interact, notices, and my profile section. In programs, we show the various courses that the college provides along with the intake of every course. Gallery option shows the glimpse of different facilities and infrastructure of the institute and pictures of latest events at the institute. Academia staff profile option lists the departments and the corresponding faculties of the department. Individual staff profiles can also be accessed and an email can be directly sent through the app to the faculty by any student or staff. Academia cells and committees options list the different cells and committees. Information about the committee and the details of the members associated with that committee. Academia, department, and heads option list the information of the principal as well as all the heads of the departments of the college along with their profiles. Academia, academic calendar list the important dates and schedules of academic and non-academic events. Academia, library, and resource center list the information of books, journals, magazines, softwares, e-books, etc. available to the students and staff for use. Notices circular option list all the circulars and notices issued by the college. A new circular is sent as a notification even when the app is closed to staff and student as soon as it is published. This is the most important feature as it eliminates the communication gap between administration and members of the college. The Interact option provides access to technical forums where academic and productive interactions between students and staff can take place. The details, eligibility, benefits, and how to apply for education loan and scholarship is also a part of Interact option. The staff can also provide important resources like videos, blogs, tutorials, etc. using the e-learning options. The career option lists the available vacancies with the college along with the eligibility criteria. The app also provides the option of applying for a job by uploading the CV and personal details directly. About Us option is a brochure of the college where you can exhibit all disclosable information about the college. The directory will list the contact details of all the staff members. Reach Us option is a great tool for everyone to contact the college as contact information about the college like Google Map location, phone numbers, email address, website, Facebook page, etc. can be listed here. My Profile option provides an interface to access personal details and modify the permitted details. A student can access all his marks of every semester, attendance, and any personal activity with the college. A new staff member can also add his information using the Edit Profile option available in Staff Login. These are the few features that are available with the app currently. But as the app is customizable, features can be added, removed, or modified as per your needs. Thank you for watching this video. Hope the app will be a great utility for you.